Hi, today I am coming to explain about the atomic structure. Okay, so actually, do you have any idea about an atom? Okay, atom is the fundamental and basic building block of all matter. When we consider the things like chairs, tables, and everything, okay, the basic building unit of the all matter is atom. Okay, so let's see what is the real scientific definition of the atom. Okay, so atom is the smallest unit of the matter. Okay, retains the identity of the substance. Okay, so when we consider the atomic structure, mainly atom has two main regions. We call atom has two parts. The first part is what? Okay, the first part is called as nucleus. Okay, normally nucleus is the center region of the atom. Okay, normally a majority of mass of the atom is concentrated inside the nucleus. Okay, the second region is called as electron cloud or energy shell. Okay, what is the meaning of the electron cloud? That means the electron clouds or energy shells are surrounded nucleus. Okay, and also the electron clouds or energy shells are the space where the subatomic particle called electrons are moving around the nucleus. Okay, we will discuss everything step by step and very clearly. Okay, so you can see according to this diagram, it shows the nucleus, and so the second region as electron cloud, it shows always electron clouds and energy shells, or energy shells are located around the nucleus. Okay, you can see according to this simple diagram, it shows how the structure of an atom. Always the nucleus is concentrated in the middle or center of the atom, and electron cloud is around the nucleus. Okay, so now we are coming to describe what is the meaning of the nucleus. Okay, so normally inside the nucleus there are two main subatomic particles called protons and neutrons. Okay, you can see the first subatomic particle called protons. Okay, normally protons are positively charged subatomic particles found inside the nucleus. Okay, so now normally we measure the mass of subatomic particles like protons and neutrons in atomic mass unit. Okay, we will discuss these things later step by step of this topic. Okay, the second subatomic particles called neutrons. Okay, normally neutrons are electrically negatively charged. Okay, they don't have electrical charge as proton, because we know protons are positively charged subatomic particles, but neutrons are neutrally charged subatomic particles found inside the nucleus. Okay, normally the mass, when we compare the mass of these protons and neutrons are almost same. Okay, so this is the main structure of the nucleus. That means we have to know that always nucleus is mainly composed by protons and neutrons, but when we study further, we will study about the other subatomic particles occupied inside the nucleus like gamma and also beta. But for this level we are not discussing further things about the nucleus. Okay, for your level you have to know there are two main particles, subatomic particles are found inside the nucleus. Okay, so now let's move to describe about the electron cloud. Do you have any idea about the electron cloud, my children? Okay, normally electron cloud is a very vast space of the atom, because when we consider the nucleus can be considered as a point or very tiny spot when we compare with the size of the electron cloud. Why? Okay, so in the electron cloud normally it is a mainly, okay, the electron cloud is considered as a empty space. Why? There are no any particles spread regularly, okay, in the electron cloud. But there are some one subatomic particles can be found in the electron cloud. Okay, what is the name of that particle? It's called electrons. Okay, so electrons are subatomic particles, okay, which are located in electron cloud. That's why we say it as electron cloud. Why? Electrons are always moving, okay, on the electron cloud. So energy, sometimes we refer electron cloud as a energy level or energy shells. Okay, so electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles. We know protons are positively charged particles, but electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles. Okay, you can see the electrons, the subatomic particles with the negatively charge and relatively no mass. When we compare the mass of the electrons with the mass of the subatomic particles called protons and neutrons, so we can consider there are no any mass of the electrons. So we consider electrons as tiny spots in the electron cloud. Okay, so let's move to the next stage. You can see when we compare the mass with the mass of the protons, you can see this is the amount of the mass. Okay, that means 1 divided by, okay, 1836. Okay, okay, that means when we compare with the proton, the mass of the proton, you can see this is the mass, this is the fraction we can describe for the mass of the electrons. Okay, so you can see I have already shown a brief summary about the information of the subatomic particles here. You can see these are the basic information what we have already described about the subatomic particles now. Okay, so you can see always electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, neutrons does not have any charge. Okay, when we consider the mass, you can see, okay, when we consider the mass of the proton and also the neutron, the masses are very same of both proton and neutrons. But when we consider the mass of the electron, you can see it is very small. That means normally we can neglect of the mass of an electron as a tiny spot. Okay, you can see that when we consider the location of those subatomic particles, we can see the electron cloud. That means electrons are located in electron cloud. Okay, we know we have already described protons and neutrons are located inside the nucleus. Okay, so in the next slide we are coming to discuss further and some very important thing. How do we know the number of protons in an atom? Okay, it is very important. Okay, normally, okay, each atom has its own unique proton number. Okay, so each atom, okay, becomes unique according to its number of protons inside the nucleus. You can see atomic number. Okay, that means atomic number is very simple explanation when we discuss about the atom. That means atomic number is the number of protons found inside the nucleus. Okay, atoms are unique. Okay, each atom has its own atomic number. For an example, when we consider the carbon, it has 6 protons, which means atomic number of the carbon is how much? 6. Okay, when we consider the oxygen atom, okay, it has 8 protons, okay, inside the nucleus. So the atomic number of the oxygen is how much then? 8. Okay, when we consider the calcium has 20 protons inside the nucleus. So the atomic number of the calcium is 20. It is very important because we identify each atom according to the atomic number. Okay, always we know when we see the periodic table, we can see always atoms are placed according to their atomic number. Okay, we will further explain it step by step. Okay, so now you can see hydrogen atomic number is how much? Is 1. Why? Hydrogen has only 1 proton, except their isotopes, hydrogen atoms has only 1 proton. So the atomic number is become 1. Okay, so hydrogen has 1 proton. Okay, so you can see carbon's atomic number is 6. Okay, carbon has 6 protons. Okay, so the number of protons is identified the atom is an atom's fingerprint. That means always atomic number is a unique figure for each atom. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, how do we know the number of neutrons in an atom? Because we know always protons and neutrons are found inside the nucleus. Okay, now how do we know the number of the neutrons? You can see. Okay, normally when we describe about the atomic number, the next thing is we are coming to describe about the mass number. Do you have any idea about the mass number? Okay, normally the mass number is the total number of both protons and neutrons found inside the nucleus. You can see the mass number, the number of protons plus neutrons in the nucleus. That means when we calculate the number of protons plus neutrons, we get the mass number of an atom. You can see. Okay, so when we, that means if you want to find the neutron number, always we have to minus mass number by the atomic number. Okay, here we are coming to explain an example. How can we find the neutron number if you know the mass number and atomic number? Okay, you can see lithium. Li mean what? If you see the periodic table, you can find lithium is the third element. Okay, that means atomic number of the lithium is 3. Okay, lithium has mass number of 7. That means lithium has a mass number of 7 and the atomic number of 3. Okay, so let's find, how can we find the neutron number when we know the mass number and the atomic number? Okay, can you tell me? Okay, can you make a small formula to find the neutron number of an atom? Yes. So that means the formula is like this. That means neutron number equals mass number minus proton number or atomic number. You can see according to the lithium atom, it has 3 protons, and also they say they have mass number of 7. Mass number of the lithium is 7. So we can easily calculate the neutron number when we minus. That means when we minus mass number by the atomic number or proton number, we can have the value for 4. That means there are 4 neutrons are found inside the lithium atom. Okay, thanks for your attention, and I hope you understand